down, I know you got me, baby.
In society. Insurance I see and its relevance in society. It encompasses all technologies used to handle telecommunication, broadcast, media intelligence, building, management system, audiovisual processing and transformation system, and network-based control and monitoring. It's a broad term that includes everything traditional technologies, landline, telephones, and television. Broadcast to cutting-edge advancement like artificial intelligence and robotics. ICT has revolutionized how people work, communication, learn, and live. ICT has become an in- integral part of modern society, impacting nearly every day of our lives.